Hello everyone. My name is Gusti Agung Ayu from 2 class, and my student ID number is 241-2021005. And in this video, I would like to do a presentation about my statistic final project. And I want to do a group comparison between 4X and 4Y class of their learning motivation score using independent sample t-test. Next, we move to the research question and also the hypothesis. For the research question, is there any mean difference of learning motivation score between the students of 4X and 4Y class? And for the hypothesis, we have two hypotheses. The first is the HO or zero hypothesis, or hypothesis zero. We have there is no significant mean difference of learning motivation score between the students of 4X and 4Y class. And for the HA or the hypothesis alternative, there is a significant mean difference of learning motivation score between the students of 4X and 4Y class. Next, we can see there is a descriptive statistic table, right? In this table, there are a lot of information, but I just want to emphasize the mean score. For the mean score, the first about the mean score of 4X class. The mean score of 4X class is 50.8730, and the mean score of 4-week class is 55.5738. That means the mean score of 4-week class is bigger or higher than the mean score of 4X class. But we still don't know if they are significant or not. Next, we move to the test of normality. In test of normality, there are two kinds. The first is the Kolmogorov-Smirnov, and the second is Sapir-Whorf. As you can see here, guys, based on Kolmogorov-Smirnov, we need to see the p-value first, or the significant value first. The p-value here is signed by the sig. As you can see, both of 4x and 4y has the significant value more than 0.05. That means the data is normally distributed, but it is quite different with Sapir-Whorf. Look at the significant value or the p-value here. Not both of 4x and 4y class have the score more than 0.05. But in this case, we can choose one between Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Sapir-Whorf for continuing test of homogeneity of variance and the t-test. And in this case, I would like to choose the Kolmogorov-Smirnov because based on Kolmogorov-Smirnov, my data is normally distributed and I can continue the homogeneity of variances test. And in addition, we can see the histogram also. The histogram for 4X class is not completely normal, right? But rather close to normal, but slightly skewed to the right or positively skewed. It is different with the histogram of 4Y class. As you can see, the histogram of 4Y class is normally distributed. Next, for the homogeneity of variances test. For this test, we need to only focus based on mean, and we can see the p-value or the significant value first. The p-value is signed by sig right here. As you can see, the significant value of my data is 0.006, or it is less than 0.05. That means the variances between two groups are not equal, and we have to use equal variances not assumed in the test. But in different case, if the significant value is more than 0.05, that means the variances between two groups are equal, and we can use the equal variances assumed in the test. But for my data, I will use equal variances not assumed because the variances between two groups are not equal. Next, we move to the hypothesis testing or the t-test table. As you can see, guys, the result of t-test for this data, like I said before, we need to see the equal variances not assumed. Here, as you can see, the significant value or the p-value of my data is 0.032. That means it is less than 0.05. That means we need to reject the HO, and we are confident that the HA is correct. But it is quite different if the significant value, or another case, if the significant value is more than 0.05, that means the test cannot reject the HO, and we are not confident that that HA is correct. But for my data, we can say that the test reject the HO, and we are confident that HA is correct. And we can say that there is a significant mean difference of learning motivation score between the students of 4X and 4Y class. For the conclusion, after analyzing the data using the independent sample t-test, and the test rejects the HO, and we can be confident that HA is correct. As a result, we can say that there is a significant mean difference of learning motivation score between the students of 4X and 4Y class. Okay, I think that's all what about my presentation, guys. If I hope you enjoy my video, and see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.